first kung ano ba yung mga parts or ano bang tawag dun sa ito, yung mga parts natin ng ating internal combustion engine. Okay, so pakibasa nga ako. This is our first part. Sige, have HN. Nandito ba? HN.
Yung ano po yung bore po.
Okay, so yung bore natin ay kindly. Okay, so yung tinatawag nating bore, that is the inner diameter ng ating engine cylinder. So, ito yung ating bore. Ayan, itong part na to. So, ito yung diameter ng ating cylinder. Kasi our cylinder, syempre, that is in cylinder shape. So, that is the diameter. Okay, so are we clear kung ano yung ating bore? Nakita naman. Okay, so next natin, we have the top dead center. So, ang top dead center natin, that is the topmost position of piston inside the cylinder of the engine. So, that is the maximum height ng ating piston. So, ito yung ating top dead center, meaning kapag gumalaw yung ating crank, yung piston natin, ito yung pinakamataas na level sa ating cylinder or the topmost position nga ng ating piston sa ating cylinder. So ito yung ating top dead center na tinatawag. The same, we have our bottom dead center. Yung ating bottom dead center, that is the lowest naman. So that is the bottommost position of the piston inside the cylinder. So dito, pagbaba ng ating piston, sa intake natin, so we have the intake and the power stroke. During yung pinaka-lowest point ng ating piston, that is called our bottom center.
Talagang ang Pasko ay sumakit.
So, naintindihan naman kung saan natin makikita yung bore, yung top dead center, at saka yung ating bottom dead center. So, kindly take note of those parts kasi in the future, use that. Okay, so next part natin, we have our stroke. So, wait lang.
Thermo.
Okay, so let's continue. We have yung ating stroke. So, take note na lang din. Take note na lang din ng ating mga variable na ginagamit. So, for bore, that is B. Top dead center, TDC. And the bottom dead center, that is BBC. Okay, so let's proceed with our stroke. So stroke natin, that is all yung variable natin na ginagamit is L. So that is the distance through which the piston moves from the top dead center to bottom dead center. So sa madaling salita, yung ating stroke, ito yung distance from our top dead center up to our bottom dead center. Okay, next we have our clearance volume. That is the space or the volume between the top dead center and the cylinder head. So pag sinabi natin clearance volume, kapag ka nasa top dead center na tayo, that is the volume from this top dead center hanggang dun sa ating cylinder head. So ito, itong part na to, yung ating clearance volume. We also have our swept volume or the volume displacement. So known siya sa problem as our volume displacement. So the volume displacement, that is the volume that pistons displaces or sweeps as it moves from the top dead center to our bottom dead center. So yung ating volume displacement is from our from our top dead center up to our bottom dead center. So ito naman yung ating volume displacement. Okay, so ngayon, with that definition, paano natin makukuha yung ating volume ng cylinder natin? Okay, so di maandal. Nandito ba? So kung ito yung ating clearance volume, and then ito yung ating volume displacement. So paano naman pag ang tinanong natin is the volume of the cylinder? Paano natin siya kukunin given ang ating clearance volume at volume displacement? Nandito ba? Arabia?
Yes po, sir.
So, paano na kaya natin makukuha yung volume ng cylinder given yung ating clearance volume at ang ating volume displacement? So, based on its definition.
Ipag-add po yung dalawa.
So yeah. If you're given yung ating clearance volume and our volume displacement, pag-addin nyo lang siya para makuha yung ating volume ng cylinder. Yung buong volume ng cylinder. Okay, so next we have our cylinder capacity. So yung ating cylinder capacity, it is equal to the swept volume of each cylinder times the number of cylinders. So alam naman natin, internal combustion engine, hindi lang naman iisa yung ating cylinder na ginagamit. So there are multiple cylinders na ginagamit natin depending on the type ng ating engine. So, yung ating cylinder capacity, that is yung swept volume natin or the volume displacement natin of each cylinder times kung ilang cylinder yung makikita natin sa ating engine. So, we have also here yung ating compression ratio. So, yung ating compression ratio, that is RK, yung ating ginagamit na variable. So, pakitandaan, that is the ratio of the maximum cylinder volume to the minimum cylinder volume. So, that is our maximum cylinder volume. So, ano yung volume na yun? We have yung volume ng cylinder. Wait lang, that is not C kasi clearance volume yung VC natin. So yung volume ng ating pinaka-cylinder, again, that is equals to our volume displacement plus our clearance volume over our minimum cylinder. So that is our VC. So if we are asked to have our compression ratio, so pero usually ginigiven naman yun. But then kung hindi yan given, and given yung ating volume displacement and our clearance volume, so that is the volume displacement plus the clearance volume over our clearance volume. Okay, so naintindihan ba yung ating compression ratio? So make sure that you absorb yung ating mga terms. Okay, so our next term is our mean piston speed. So mean piston speed natin, that is the U sub P. So pag mean pala, pag piston speed lang, that is U sub P. But then kapag ang sinasabi natin is mean piston speed, that is may bar. So U sub T bar. Okay, are we clear with that? Okay, so ano naman yung mean piston speed natin? That is often used as appropriate parameters than crankshaft rotational speed for the correlating engine behavior as function of speed. So later on, I will be going to show you kung ano yung ating formula for the mean piston speed. Okay, so are we clear with these terms? We are going to use this mostly later sa ating mga formula. So kindly have take note of these parameters. So we have the bore, the top dead center, bottom dead center, the stroke natin is L, and then our clearance volume is our V sub C, our volume displacement is V sub D, and then our cylinder capacity is V sub E. Then we have our compression ratio, that is RT, and the mean piston speed, that is our U sub P. Okay, so let's proceed with the typical engine operating parameters. Excuse me. And so, sabi dito, our bore size, yung bore size ng ating engine, range from 0.5 meter to 0.5 centimeter. So, ito lang yung ating mga ginagamit na bore size ng ating engine. This is the available in our market. So, we have 20 inches to 0.2 inches. So, the ratio ng ating bore to stroke, or B over S. Okay, so ang gamit nga pala natin sa stroke natin is L. So, this is B over L. Ano? B sub L for small engine is usually from 0.8 to 1.2. Okay, so dapat nasa range na ito yung sukat ng ating bore to stroke ratio. Ano, pag dinivide natin yung ating bore and our stroke, dapat between 0.8 and 1.2 yung makukuha natin. Okay, so the engine with the same yung bore size or yung diameter ng cylinder natin sa ating stroke is often called a square engine. So that is called the square engine natin if the stroke is longer than the bore. If the stroke is longer than the bore diameter, the engine is under square. So kapag longer yung ating stroke, that is under square. And then kapag naman mas malaki, very large engine are always under yun. Kapag yun namang ating stroke is less than sa ating bore, that is over square. So very large engine are always under square. So pag yung malaking engine na daw, ang ginagamit na natin is under square. With a stroke length of with the stroke length up to 4 times the bore diameter. So, pag malalaking engine, mas malaki yung ating stroke kaysa sa ating bore. Okay, so let's proceed with the formulas na ginagamit natin when we are talking about our combustion engine. So this is the formula first sa ating mean piston speed. So again, yung mean piston speed natin, ito yun. We have our U sub P bar. Okay? So it is often used as appropriate parameters than crankshaft rotational speed for correlating the engine behavior as function of speed. Okay? So yung ating formula for the mean piston speed, we have our U sub P bar. The mean piston speed is equals to 2 Lm. But then this is the formula for 4-stroke engine. Kasi our formula for our itong to natin, this means only that we have the number of stroke over the number of rotation. Revolution. Excuse me. Okay, so kindly take note na yung ating kasi usually naman ang ginagamit natin is the 4-stroke engine. That's why yung binigay na formula dun sa ating reference is 2 Lm. But then kindly remember lagi that yung 2 dyan, ibig sabihin is the number of stroke over the number of revolution. Kasi sa 4-stroke engine, that is 4 stroke, and then per revolution, ang revolution natin is 2. So, to complete yung 4 stroke, we need 4 revolution ng ating crankshaft. Okay, so we have 2. Kaya yan naging 2. 2Ln yung ating formula. So, yung L natin, that is also equals to 2A. So, puntahan lang natin itong ating diagram ng ating piston. So, yung A natin is ito.
Bukas pa nga yung A3.
So, ang L natin or yung stroke natin is ito. Ayan. So, that is our formula for our mean piston speed. So, kindly take note of that. We have our mean piston speed is equals to 2Lm. So, kindly remember lang that this is for 4-stroke engine. Okay na tayo sa mean piston speed. Na-note na ba? Okay, so let's have the next. Let's have the distance between the crank axis and the wrist pin axis. So ito yung wrist pin natin, yung pinaka mover natin ng ating piston. Okay, so yung formula natin for our distance ng ating crank nung crank axis and the wrist pin natin. Okay, so that is the S. We have this is in any position. So depending on the given theta or angle ng ating theta natin, that is our crank angle. Kung anong angle nitong ating crank. Okay, so the formula for that is A cosine theta plus the square root of r squared minus A squared r sine squared theta. So ito yung mga formulas na medyo mahaba. So anong A nga dyan? Our A is the length ng ating crank. Yung theta natin is our angle. The crank angle natin. So ito yung ating theta.
two or more of substances
So this is our
and provide hydrogen properties
A, and this is our theta, and this is our S. So if we are tasked to find the distance ng ating crank axis to the wrist pin at a given angle ng crank natin, this is the formula that we are going to use. Okay, so nasa inyo na naman yung lecture notes nyo? Or wala pa? Wala pa. So, pa-take note muna, pero ito naman inandun na sa ating lecture notes. Bali, next week yun na nga kukunin sa ating face-to-face class.
appearance throughout the
Okay, so next natin is the ratio of the instantaneous speed natin. So, the ratio of the instantaneous speed divided by the average position speed. And so, pag naman tinanong sa atin yung ating instantaneous speed or our speed at a certain point, ito yung working formula na ginagamit natin. So, ito yung ating speed at a given point, and then this is our mean piston speed. So, yung formula natin, yung ating mean piston speed natin, inibigay na natin yung formula kanina to be 2ln. No? So, ito yung ifa-find natin sa ating dito sa ating working formula na to. Okay, so yung ratio daw ng ating speed, instantaneous speed, and divided by the average position speed. So that is pi over 2 sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta over square root of r squared. So in square root pero r squared din naman. So para makakancel lang. Minus sine squared theta. So let me check muna to ha. Check ko lang.
May chamber doon sa loob na iba't ibang column. Tapos,
So yun talaga yung formula sa ating reference.
para ma-fracture or ma-iwalay.
Okay. So kindly take note ulit ng ating formula for the ratio ng ating the ratio of the instantaneous speed divided by the average position speed. Okay, so yung R natin, that is R over A, wherein yung R natin dito is yung connecting rod over our crank. Okay, so ito yun. Dito sa formula na to, ito yung ating R connecting rod. Ito yung R natin, small r, and then ito yung ating A. So ito yung ating formula for our R, capital R. Okay, are we clear with these first two formulas? So ito naman is our formula lang for our position ng ating position analysis ng ating piston and also for the speed ng ating piston. Okay, so next let's have the volume displacement. So the displacement volume, kita naman natin kanina, that is the difference ng ating bottom dead center minus our top dead center na volume. So kasi kanina if we have our cylinder here, again this is our top dead center and this is our bottom dead center position. So ang ating kasing volume displacement, again, that is itong ating distance itong dalawa. Ano? So that is the difference ng ating volume ng bottom dead center minus the volume ng ating top dead center. Okay, so for one cylinder engine, that is we can also use yung formula natin ng volume mismo ng ating cylinder. So, again, yung bore natin, that is our diameter ng ating cylinder. And then yung L natin, that is the stroke. So, we can also solve for the volume. Pag hindi naman given yung volume natin ng bottom dead center, top dead center, we can get our volume displacement by this formula. So, we have pi over 4 bore squared times L. So, that is just simply naman yung ating for the volume ng cylinder. Okay, so kung binigay na kung ilang number ng cylinder yung makikita natin sa engine, so i-multiply lang natin yan sa N. So ang N natin is number of cylinder. Okay, so the cylinder volume at any crank angle naman, if you're going to consider yung crank angle natin, so pero hindi naman siya usually ginagamit in calculations, but then we should also take note of that. So we have the clearance volume plus our pi times our bore squared over 4 times ang A natin is the crank and S natin is itong makukuha natin sa formula na to. Okay, so kindly take note of these formulas.
To undergo chemical reactions to form a new substance. Again, ang ating chemical property po, it requires a chemical change. Requires chemical change that describes
Okay na take note na? Okay na?
to undergo
So, gagamitin natin yan mamaya sa ating mga sample problems. And so next naman, we have the cross-sectional area of the cylinder and the surface area of the flat top piston. So, para makuha natin yung ating, wait lang. So, para makuha muna natin yung ating cross-sectional area ng ating flat top cylinder. So, that is pi over 4 b squared. So, area lang ng circle natin. And then, for the combustion chamber surface area naman, that is ACB. Ang ating ACB natin, that is the surface area of the cylinder head, which will be larger than our AP. Yung AP natin is the area of the flat top piston. So, ginigiven naman yung ating yung ating mga parameters na yan when we are solving. So, we have ACB plus our AP plus pi times the bore times our RA minus S. Again, ito ulit yung ating mga connecting rod, and this is our crank, and this is our S na makukuha dun sa ating previous formula.
matter in science form or in essence form. Then,
Okay na ba dito?
example po natin is mass, volume, length, or total energy.
And so next, let's have the AC, or yung AC natin is the combustion chamber
And when we say
surface area pa din. Okay, so same lang pala to dito.
IN,
Pinaano lang natin, in-expand lang yung formula natin. So, kuha na lang muna ng ating formula.
size or amount of matter, independent sample size or amount of matter. Example po natin is the density, the temperature, and the volume. These are just some examples. Density, temperature, that is intensity. So,
Okay, na-note naman yung ating formula.
which quantify, which is the quantifier.
Sige, ito pa. We still have formula dito. So, we have the minimum volume. Siyempre, yung ating minimum volume occurs when our piston is at the top dead center. So, it is called our clearance volume. So, as explained natin kanina, So yung ating clearance volume, again, that is the volume of the top, volume at top dead center position. But B na to, BN, top dead center.
Ano nga ang volume natin?
And then, yung ating volume ng bottom dead center ay VC, or yung ating clearance volume times our plus our volume displacement. So, na-explain na naman to kanina. Okay, so yung ating clearance volume, again, that is the ratio ng ating maximum volume, and that maximum volume is our volume at the bottom dead center over our volume at the top dead center. So, na-explain ko na din naman kanina, yung volume natin at bottom dead center is equivalent to this equation. And then, yung ating top dead center, that is also equals to our clearance volume. Okay, so, kindly take note also ng formula na to.
Other explanation for that? Si ano? Oh, so it measures the 3D dimensional occupancy.
So, okay na. Have you taken note ng ating mga different formulas?
Density. Ang density po natin.
Class, okay na?
Density.
Kasi gagamitin natin yan in solving our sample problem. So, ngayon, with our sample problem, kindly follow yung ating pagsasolve. So, mag-solve din kayo dyan in your own, and then later on, yung inyong notes will be uploaded ulit sa ating Google Classroom, which will serve as your attendance for today. So, while I'm solving yung ating sample problem, i-solve nyo din on your own. Ano? Okay, so let's have this sample problem. Wait lang. Wala pala akong nalagay na space. Okay, so nakikita ba yung screen natin?
So,
Okay, so with this problem, paki-screenshot nga so that when we're solving, you can look at our problem. Ano? Okay, so sabi sa ating problem, a diesel tractor has 3-cylinder, 4-stroke cycle engine. So the cylinder bore is 89 mm, the stroke is 127 mm, the compression ratio is 16.5:1, and the engine speed natin is 2,000 RPM. So we're going to calculate yung following. So we have the piston displacement, engine displacement, piston speed, stroke to bore ratio, clearance volume, and total cylinder volume, and also the total number of power stroke per minute. Okay, so I will be showing you how are we going to use yung ating formulas to solve this problem. Okay, so may screenshot naman ng ating problem. Okay, so let's have first, again, unahin nating isulat is our given. So, sinabi sa ating problem that our bore is 89 mm and our stroke is 127 mm. Also, binigay yung ating compression ratio that is 16.5:1, so that is 16.5. And then we have our speed na 2,000 RPM. Okay, next is the required. So, pakasulat na lang ng ating mga required. So, we have these A to G required. Okay, so for the solution, unahin natin, for letter A, we have the piston displacement. Ang piston displacement natin, again, that is our VP. So for piston displacement natin, we are given the formula nga na Arabia. Nandito ba? So ano nga yung formula natin for the volume displacement?
simple element ng ating reaction. And all
Ano tawag? Natawag na ba si Arabia?
are the aspects of
Tawag na. Okay, that's a Rojas. Rojas, nandito ba?
Sir, pong formula, volume displacement po.
For the volume displacement natin.
So, the word starts
Sir, yun po ba yung pi over 4?
Okay, continue.
Pi over
Pi over
4 times radius squared.
Ano no?
Radius squared po.
Okay. Ang ginagamit natin is our bore. Diba? So we have 5 over 4, our bore squared. So that is the diameter ng ating cylinder. And then, our length. And so I told you last time to take note yung ating formula para alam niyo din naman yung ating gagamitin. So masasalunin din naman yan by practice. Okay, so take note of that Rohan, of our formula. So can you confirm kung tama yung aking formula na sinulat for the volume displacement? Okay, so pakisolve, makukuha na natin yung ating volume displacement since given naman yung ating bore and our stroke. Paki-solve na, Arcelius.
Okay naman.
Paki-calculate naman what will be our answer. Nandito ba si Arcelius?
So, we have different...
Nandito po, sir.
Okay, sige.
Uh, 790,084. Point 63423844 millimeter, cubic millimeter.
Okay, so nakamute pala ako. Okay, so this is the answer, no? So 790,084.6342 mm3. So depending on what the problem is requiring na unit, you would convert that. Ano? So pwedeng ang hingin natin sa problem is centimeter cube or meter cube.
We have a single
Okay, so let's have the next.
We have a single compound
For letter B, we're going to solve naman yung ating
pinagkuwalan.
engine displacement. So again, ano yung formula natin for engine displacement? So that is our VE.
Single compound substance is ang dapat product po is
Okay, so hindi ko sure kung nalagay ko. So for the for our engine displacement, that is our volume displacement
H2O2
times the number of cylinder. Okay, so ilan yung na-mention sa problem na number of cylinder?
plus
Sumadsad.
so from the water
3 to 4 po.
And then, sa ating problem, 3 yung ating cylinder. Ano? 3 cylinder, tapos 4 stroke yung ating engine. Okay? So we have VD, yung VD natin na na-solve, times our N, na 3. Number of cylinder natin is 3. So what will be the value ng ating engine displacement? Pag sinabi kasi natin engine displacement, we are going to consider already yung ating number of cylinders. Okay, so what will be the value ng ating engine displacement? Equals that. Sorry, what will be our value?
Sir, 9481015.611.
Pakiulit niya ako.
948
48
1015
1015
0.611.
0.611. Tama? Okay, so this is in millimeter cube. So meron na tayong values for A and B. Okay, so let's proceed with our letter C. Ang hinahanap naman natin, balikan na natin yung problem, that is our piston speed in meter per minute. So sinabi dyan, meter per minute yung ating kukunin. Okay, so again, yung ating mean piston speed na kinukuha is, yung formula natin dyan is U sub P. So what is the value?
Sir, permission to speak po.
Okay.
Sir, iba po yung nakuha namin sagot sa engine displacement.
Okay, sa engine displacement. So paki-check what will be the answer ng ating engine
Ang
displacement.
sagot po is 2,370,252.900.
Okay, so kindly type na lang sa chat box natin.
Si A na AG plus C, CL na T from the hour reactant.
That is for the engine displacement. So we have 2370253.903, and this is in mm cube. Tama?
C of the
Ayan.
reactants,
Okay, so let's proceed with our speed.
the of the reactants calculated with
Ang ating piston speed in meter per minute. So, ano nga ulit yung ating formula? Piliena.
aqueous solution plus the sodium chloride.
Piliena Jerome.
Aqueous will silver
So,
nitrate.
Helen, naka-on mic ka ata.
Nitrite.
So, Jerome, Piliena, nandito ba?
Nitrate. So that yields to chloride, silver chloride, plus sodium.
Wala ba? Generoso.
Nitrogen oxide.
Sir, excuse po. Si Generoso daw po ay yung sa chinat ko po na nakuha po ng scholarship.
Okay.
Dito naman is
Perez, Kent Benedict.
We have the formulation.
Opo, sir.
Okay, so ano ulit yung formula natin for the piston speed? The mean piston speed.
Yung mean piston speed po, 2 ln po.
We have 2 ln. Okay, so makukuha na natin yung ating piston speed kasi given naman yung ating L at saka N. Ano? So again, yung ating namang 2, that is the number of stroke over the revolution, and for 4 stroke, that is 4/2. Kaya naging 2. So pakisolve naman ako, what will be the value ng ating ng piston speed natin? SP milli. So yung stroke naman natin is given to be 127 mm. And then, ang N natin is given then na 2,000 revolution per minute. So, pero ang hinihingi natin is meter per minute. So, what will be the answer?
508,000 po.
In meter per minute. Naka-mm ka pa ata. So, we're going to convert
Wait lang
yung
po.
ating mm to meters.
Are the same with their
508 po.
We have 508. Walang decimal, no? And then that is meter per minute. Okay, so let's proceed with the next item. Yung letter D natin, that is the stroke to bore ratio. That is L over B. So what will be the answer? Kokosa.
Wait lang po.
Ano yun? Paki-type na lang sa chat box.
yun yung pinaka-reservoir start.
Okay, so nakamute pala ako. And so, nakuha na natin yung ating stroke to bore ratio. And next, yung ating kukuning sunod is our clearance volume. Again, yung clearance volume natin, that is the volume at the top dead center. So, paano kaya natin kukunin yung ating clearance volume? Do you have an idea? With the given that we have. So, speed, and then nakuha na natin yung ating volume displacement. Sige, De Los Santos.
Try lang po, sir. Rinig po ako.
Rinig.
Ano po, sir? VE minus VD po.
Ano yan? VD?
VE minus VD po.
VE minus VD?
Opo.
Okay, so anong VE natin?
Ang nakuha ko po kanina ay
di ba yung VE natin, that is the engine displacement, tama?
Opo.
So, with that, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yan. Kasi yung volume display, VE natin ay, yung VE natin ay considering kung ilan yung ating cylinder. Pagka ganito na sinosolve lang natin yung clearance volume, we are talking about a single cylinder lang. Okay, may idea pa ba yung iba? Paano natin makakuha yung ating VC? Sige, si Perez.
Sir, try lang po. Yung sa formula po ng compression ratio, yung RK equals BC plus BD over BC.
Ano yan? RK is equals to
BC plus BD
plus VD over
BC.
So that is correct. Kasi we have our compression ratio, we have our volume displacement, so makukuha natin ang ating VC. Okay, so pwede namang shift solve na lang yan. So pakikuha nga ako, what will be the value ng ating VC? So ang RK natin or our compression ratio is 16.5. So this will be 16.5 times our VC plus yung po nakuha natin ng volume displacement kanina over VC. So what will be the value ng ating VC or the clearance volume? Ang kukuha ay si Alcantara. So pakitype na lang sa chat box whenever you already have your answer. Nandito pa si Alcantara?
Ako sir, sosolve lang.
Okay, sige. Continue solve.
Sir, ano nga pong nalilito lang po.
Okay, so kukunin natin yung VC or the clearance volume natin. And then we have our compression ratio na 16.5 and then yung volume displacement natin na solve natin kanina to be this value.
Pupunta ka sa co-op, bibili
So,
ka
shift
ng
solve mo lang.
paper.
Ano yung makukuha natin for BC?
Re-renta ka ng triangle. Hindi pwedeng
Okay, so how about the others? Do you have the
And
same
then,
answer with Lawrence?
inano kami ng mechanical pencil, yung milit na
How about the others? Yun ba yung nakuha mo magsino? I think close na yung
Hoy,
kay
alam mo, pag ikaw ay naibili ng gayo,
Alcantara. So, same ba kayo nung nakuha kay Alcantara? Everyone? Okay, so anong unit natin dyan? We have centimeter cube ba?
Alam mo pagka non-engineering, ang mga bibili, mga Manila paper, kasi yun yung kanilang, yun ang kanilang
50973.2022
yun yung kanilang parang
mm.
anong tawag sa gayon?
Okay na tayo for our clearance volume.
Ibilalaglag na Manila paper, visual education.
Okay, so let's proceed with the next, yung ating total cylinder volume. So, yung total cylinder volume natin, paano kaya natin kukunin yung ating total cylinder volume? Do you have any idea kung paano natin siya makukuha? Ang total cylinder volume natin, ano ba yung total na capacity
Nung una siya mapa-evaluate
volume ng ating cylinder?
Tupi-tupi
Sige,
ano niya.
Aliani.
Try lang po, sir. BD plus BC po.
Okay, so that is correct. We're going to add yung ating volume displacement at saka yung ating clearance volume. So what will be the value ng ating total cylinder volume? Let's have si Katapang. Nandito ba si Katapang?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, so ano yung... Okay, so paki-add ako ng ating volume displacement and our clearance volume. Okay, so ito na ba yung nakuha? Yung 841,000. How about the others? Same ba kayo na nakuha kay Katapa? That is our value for the total. Okay, so may natitira pa ba? Meron pa tayo yung ating total number of power stroke per minute. Okay, so we have our letter. So we have our letter G. That is the power stroke per minute. So para makuha natin yan, that is our speed times the number of power stroke per revolution. So the number of revolution natin. And then times our number of cylinder. So that is 2,000 revolution tayo per 1 minute. And then yung number of power stroke natin is 1. So ilan ba yung power stroke natin dun sa ating 4-stroke engine, di ba? Isa lang naman. So we have 1 over the number of revolution natin. That is 2. Again, pagka 4-stroke engine, that is 2 revolution. And then the number of cylinder natin is 3. So what will be our answer sa number of power stroke per minute? Paki-solve nga, anakan.
Gawin natin. 3,000 po.
3,000. So we have 3,000. Power stroke per minute. Okay, I hope everyone followed yung ating sample problem. Nagets ba yung ating mga formulas na ginamit? Okay, so we have here another sample problem. So aside from that, aside from our sample problem 1, so I want you to have the solution of that also. Dun sa isasubmit nyo for your attendance for today. You are going to solve this problem. So, screenshot ng ating sample problem, and this will be your attendance for today. Na-screenshot na ba? So, ang due date naman ito is hanggang mamayang 11:59. So, you still have time to solve this problem. Okay, so before we end our class, do you have any question? Si Cruzat?
Sir, kanina po doon po sa sample problem, yung letter A po, hindi po ba dapat naka-cubic centimeter po?
Sinabi ba sa problem na, ayun, naka-given pala. Hindi ko lang napansin. So yun, convert nyo lang yung ating mga sagot into cubic centimeter. Hindi ko lang din napansin yung problem kanina. Magsino?
Sir, ano pong 11:59? Tanghali po or mamaya po?
Mamayang gabi pa. 11:59 na gabi. Okay, may tanong pa ba? Alcantara, nag-reason ba?
Sir, pwede ka kong mahingi ng copy at solution?
Nito? You can just screenshot na lang. Na-screenshot na ba yung part na to?
Opo.
Also this one. Okay na?
Opo, sir.
So ano pala yung attendance pa pala natin sa index card? Last na sumagot si Enakan, tama? Olave?
Present po, sir.
Mercado?
Dahil, pwede mo pa igaganon dahil hindi nakita sa
Okay, nandiyan pala sa Tita. Tita Hernandez. Hernandez. Belen.
Present po.
Si Aliali, okay na kanina, no? Dehan. Dehan.
Present po.
Buwan.
Present po.
Arpia.
Present po.
Hermoso.
Present po.
Magsino.
Present po.
Perez.
Present po.
Zalameda. Zalameda.
Sir, baka lang po daw mahina yung net niya.
Present po.
Ayan, okay. De Los Santos.
Present po.
12. Ito yung scholarship, tama?
Yes.
Nilalagdag din pala si Gap kahapon.
Patulo.
Kaya principal yung upod din na magkakaklase ay parang
Alamano.
Present po, sir.
talagang nila sa part na rin talaga
Sarabia.
may virus eh.
Sarabia.
Yun lang noon is bigla na lang.
Sir, yun din po yung nagpaalam.
Hindi pa.
Okay. Atienza.
Present po.
Santos.
Present po.
Dati naman ako okay lang.
Motas.
Laging
Present
Saniano.
ay hindi na kayanin ng nagsisipirisin niya. Kaya ako laging pagkakatayin
Arena.
ako nagsisipirisin na. Siya, pag ako nakatulog ng kaunti,
Present.
ayos na.
Del Mundo. Okay. Nagpaalam din. Agila.
Present po.
Aguilies.
Present po.
Alimagno.
Present po.
Barion.
Present po.
Seryosa.
Present po.
May hindi ba ako natawag? Natawag ba lahat? Ay, si Hernandez nandito na. Si Salazar. May index card ka na ba?
Meron po, sir.
So take note ko na lang din kasi baka nadoble lang siya. Bale, ang nagpaalam ay si Generoso. Nagpaalam din. Generoso,
Yes
si
po.
12, Sarabia, Del Mundo, Salazar,
Super banks. Banks, gano'n ka banks.
ayan si Salazar pala.
Yung kahapon nakabanks.
Limaandal, si Dimaandal, nagpaalam ba? Hindi. So, ang absent is si Dimaandal at saka si Villena. Tama. Ay, Jerome Villena nagpaalam din. Si Dimaandal, ba't daw
Sir,
kaya-
present po.
Ayan, okay. Okay, so do you have any question pa? Any concern? Wala na? Okay, kung wala na kayong ibang tanong, you can already leave our meeting. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, sir.